guys! Welcome to my channel if you're new and welcome back if you're not. For today's second episode of Wedding Diaries, we'll be going to Tagaytay again for another wedding expo. This time, it will be Kasalang Tagaytay Expo. I know sa mga Tagaytay weddings, talagang sikat sila kasi most of the suppliers attending there are either from around Cavite or nag-offer sila ng no OOTF. So, sobrang gandang offer nun. Sobrang laking tipid din nun. And then, this is a free entrance. You just have to pre-register. And this is an update since the last vlog. If you remember, we oculared the venue that we wanted. And actually, that same day, we booked it na. So, yes, you already have a venue. And then, nakapag-book na rin ako ng hair and makeup and video guest book. So, it's not the usual guest book. Of course, the vlogger in me can't help but get that because it's just perfect, diba? Pwede natin isama sa vlog yung mga makabagbag damdamin na messages from our lovely guests. So, today, ang bala ko talagang i-book is yung on-the-day coordinator, fireworks, and maybe magtingin pa ng photo and video kasi isa pa lang talaga yung nabebatan kong supplier, and yung isang photo and video na partner supplier ng venue namin nandun din, so might as well take a look ano yung mga ino-offer nila. And yung mga wala akong suppliers, all-in package kasi yung kinuha namin sa event, so marami na talagang items na included like catering, basic styling, LED wall, coffee bar, yun. So, I think konti na lang talaga yung kulang sa amin. And there are items that I plan on DIYing since I think I can do them naman. Like the invitation, the money envelope, menu card, table cards, all that. Sayang naman ang Canva Pro natin if hindi natin gagamitin, diba? Actually, yung wedding website ko, tapos na siya, matagal na. Ayun yung una kong ginawa since I'm a Canva girly. Nag-try na rin ako ng money envelope. Madali lang naman siya. So, I'm just gonna need help from my team bride kasi maraming gupitan at dikitan na magaganap. And then, I had this idea din na i-DIY yung seating chart. Parang 2-in-1 na siya. Souvenir / seating chart. So, ayun. I think ang wala ko pa selfie mirror, welcome signage. I don't know if i-DIY ko ba siya or magre-rent na lang ako. Ang mahal kasi ng rent. Ang dami rin naming arch na salamin sa bahay. Feeling ko, lang, decals lang, yung ididikit sa mirror. At saka flowers na pang-design yung kulang doon. So, a big part of me is actually considering na i-DIY na lang din yun. But let's see. Parang lahat ng kaya kong DIY ko na siya. Kasi medyo mahal din actually pag nag-rent ka ng mga bagay-bagay or nag-purchase. Anyway, I'm on my way to fetch John. So, I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye! Alvista Hotel, we are here. Meron ulit sila sa May 16-17, no?
For your video records po, baka you're looking for photo and video team po. Oh, sure. So we're in Mo Studio po. Since you're looking for photo and video team po, and we're at the last day of Kasalang Tagaytay, bibigyan ko na kayo kagad, ma'am, ng offer na hindi mo mahihindian. So the best that I can offer you, ma'am, our package po of 118,000. 2 videographers, 2 photographers, same day edit videos, ma'am, tsaka same day edit photos. Meaning po, may SDE ka na, tsaka may same day photo ka po. Next po is yung 20 by 16 frame.
Mas malaki dyan.
Mas malaki lang na content.
This one is 12 by 18. So mas 16 by 20. So you can check, parang na siyang painting.
So meron ka ng pre-engagement photo, ma'am. May one creative editor or director. May one production assistant plus aerial photo po. So kasama po sa 118,000, ma'am, is you should say 2 freebies. Special digital guest book, which is ito, ma'am. 12 by 12 polyglass album, which is this, ma'am. reservation natin is only 10,000.
Mostly, Tagaytay flights na mag-request. Pwede sir, natural.
Meron na po.
So, not too bright, hindi naman po yung parang dark and moody style. So, ito as ang garden wedding na. Sa photo, 3 photographers, sa video, 3 videographers yung shooters. Then, 4 na yung kasamang album. So, ito siya yung set. This is the 12 by 12 na 40 pages. Ganito siya kalaki. Then, may kasama din siyang prenup album 8 by 8 na 20 pages. So, isang set siya. Tapos, meron ka pang 2 pieces na parent album. So, parang smaller version siya ng wedding album. Ayan po. Tapos sa video naman, for Diamond, lahat ng videos dito naka 4K resolution na. So, tatlo rin yung video, prenup video, tapos yung full wedding film, yung mahabang video, and then STE, yung pinapalabasan na sa reception. And then, for Emerald and Diamond, almost the same naman sila yung mga inclusions. Yung difference lang po for Emerald, dito 4K resolution, dito full HD din, pero 1080p yung resolution.
Sir, when you're ready, just press the top. Yes. Sir, galingan mo ah.
Okay. Wow.
Kasi, everybody else will be flyer. Alright, so, ma'am, you stay here, okay? Sir, please go on. You can put your things here.
3, 4,
Pwede kayo
5.
cheers na kung
Okay. Wow. Okay, congrats. Naka 5 ka. Hindi ko na ipapahiya yung sarili ko. Okay na yun, oo. Thank you. Thank you. Sky Ranch na pala yun.
Yes, Sky Ranch. Sabi mo. Yan, diyan ka magaling.
Ayan, dyan ka magaling. Sa free taste.
Free taste.
Ako sa ano ko magaling? Sa freebies. Ang daming photo booth na ano dito. Alright guys, we're done with the expo. And nakapag-book kami ng 2 suppliers today. Ang target namin suppliers, the fireworks, na-book na namin. And the on the day coordinator. Bet ko tong expo na to kasi ang daming free na ano, photo booth. So meron kaming 2 here from Tal Ruin. And then meron kaming marami dito sa ano, isang photo booth. Kit din ito eh, para kang nasa ano, magazine cover. Ah, okay. Ref magnet din pala. Magnetic din. Actually, ang cute nito. Okay, and then another photo booth. Isang ganitong size. And then 2 ganitong size na magnetic. And then 2 magnets. Ang cute nito. So, ang dami ng picture. Tapos meron pa kaming isa from on-site photo booth. And then ganito kadami ang flyers.
Mas kunti nga ngayon eh.
Oo.
Dati.
Actually. Kasi hindi namin kinuhanan lahat. Yung first expo kasi, lahat ng booth. Lahat ng booth kinuhanan ko, pinagtanungan ko. And since may venue na kami, hair and makeup, ganyan. Tapos ito nga. Tsaka may mga suppliers in mind na kami. Yung iba, hindi na namin tinanungan. Hindi na rin namin sinayang kanilang oras. So, yeah. Okay, we're going. We're done with our agenda. So, we're gonna go. Wowie, 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 wowie. Okay, let's eat. I'm hungry. This is ham and cheese croissant. Tcharam! Legit. Lasang peanut butter.
Eh di parang Reese's.
Medyo salty siya na peanut butter. Hindi siya yung matamis na peanut butter. How is it? Lasang tinapay. Napakagaling niya talagang mag-review. Okay, let's try his. Ito, try mo yung akin, no? Okay lang. Sarap naman din. Let's try the crazy cheesy bread. May cheese sa gitna. Narap naman siya, pero parang for me, overpriced. Or maybe because of the place din kasi doon sila bumawi.
Venue yung binabayaran dito.
Hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo, pero sabi ni John, yung venue daw ang binabayaran dito, hindi yung pagkain. Ano yan? Happy na?
Sa Chocarbs food review. Cafe latte. Sakto lang. Ano to?
Peanut butter latte?
Peanut butter something. Lasang peanut butter. Sakto lang. Cheese roll. Sakto lang. Chocolate croissant. Masarap. Crazy cheese something. Sakto lang. Amin cheese na croissant na may
Herbs.
herbs. Hindi masarap. Yun lang. Bye. See you sa next review.
Masarap din yung cheese. Masarap nga. Ewan ko bakit sabi niya sakto lang. Masarap kaya. Actually, masarap naman yung food. I'm gonna rate it 4 out of 5. 4 lang kasi medyo overpriced siya for the taste. Pero kasi, yung venue din naman yung binabayaran mo. Kasi ang ganda ng place nila. They have this teardrop na nakatali installation going up and down. Malaki yung place. May view ng Taal. And then they have something pa sa 3rd floor which pupunta naman mamaya.
Well ventilated.
Well ventilated. Marami rin namang parking, pero marami kasi ding tao. So, napupuno pa rin. May pa-elevator. Tagal ng elevator. Look at the view.
Paggabi siguro maganda rito.
Correct. Oo nga, paggabi lang.
Free water and lemon water.
Luwag nga eh.
Hindi overcrowded
Kahit maraming tao.
Oo.
Okay, uwi na kami. We're going. Alright guys, we're heading home. We're done with our agendas for today. Mission successful kasi nabook natin ang target suppliers natin. Nakapag-ano pa tayo? Cafe. Diba? Check na check. So that's it. Thank you so much for accompanying us once again. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next vlog. Bye!